Hey guys, it's Meowsers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cut fur properly, because a lot of people do not actually know how to do it the right way. So I have this piece right here, and it is like, this is a normal piece of fur. Okay, this is the top. So I have two examples on the side. This side is cut the correct way, and this side is not cut the correct way. So on this side, you can see that the fur is like flowy and all that. On this side, you can see that it's just chopped up. So basically what you do when you do it the wrong way, right? It's kind of just doing it like this. You just get it and you kind of just chop like you would chop a normal like piece of fabric. But what you're actually supposed to do is you're supposed to get it right here, right? Now this is going to be kind of difficult for me to do, so it might not actually turn out that good, but hey, oh well. And you're supposed to like kind of like get it like this and just be really careful of the, I'm gonna do it kind of like just like this because I literally can't just do it like in the camera. But as you can see, I'm not really touching the fur as much as I did the last time. And then if I kind of just spread that out now, you'll see that it's a lot nicer looking and it looks more flowy and natural like a real piece of fur. Okay, you know what? This is bugging me. Okay. So if you see this side compared to this side, obviously, if I kind of just spread this out a little bit more, and I'm gonna cut this a little bit just because it's uneven and I'm getting bothered by it, because of course I am. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Also, it's probably easier if it's like generally the same shape on each side. So you see that this side is a lot like less natural looking, and then this side has kind of that nice flow to it. I'll kind of hold it up to the camera. This is a pretty quick video, I guess. So I just want to show you what you want it to look like. You kind of want it to look like this when you're going in, and not just like, okay, when you do it, you want to like, actually it might be better to show it this way. You want to go under the fur instead of over the fur like that. So you go under the fur, not over. Show you that close up. What you're supposed to do is kind of like put it into, okay, this isn't the best example, but I'm trying. Because I feel like there aren't too many like tutorials on exactly how you're supposed to cut the fur. And you do it like that, not like this. That's really all I wanted to show you guys today. Oh my gosh, I just realized my ears are wiggly. Aw, that's adorable. Yeah. So I really hope you like this video. I'll just show you this one more time. It's a piece of nice fur. It's actually the color fur that I used on this suit. I kind of want to give him like hair, like that'd be cool. Yeah. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. This is a pretty like quick video. I might make some more like tutorial videos like this. Hopefully this setup looks a little bit better. I am mad that I did not do it until now, because it was pretty obvious, so just, I don't want to put these down too much because I don't know how well I attach them. I love you guys, and actually by this time, stay positive. I know 2020 sucks so far, but bye. I'm gonna boop you guys. Boop, boop, boop.